Hey guys, so today I have got this month's Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box, but they do post it worldwide, and it's £29 a month. I'm not sure about other countries' prices. I will put the ones that I know down below in the description, but if yours isn't there, you will just have to check on the website. But I am just going to open this and show you what is in here. I haven't opened it yet. It's kind of a jingly box, and it got a little bit squished this month, but that is fine, I think. So, right on the top we have our little booklet as always. So this month's theme is Protection Magic, and it usually gives us the colour scheme for the month as well. So I'm going to say kind of a beige and black sort of theme. This just gives you information about all of the items in the box. We're not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but if you do get it, that is what this is. Then next we have a little mini print. So this one says, "I am protected," in a banner. So that's our little mini art print for the month. And then we have our spell kit for the month. So you always get a spell kit. This one is called the Protection Spell Bottle Kit. Contains everything you need to create a magical protection bottle. So I will open this and show you what comes in here. Okay, so we've got our little instruction card. I will hold that up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And then we have a little mini glass bottle, a little black candle, an iron nail, which kind of looks like a coffin nail, very creepy. And then 2 packs of herbs. So the herbs are barley and angelica. So that is the 5 little things that come in our spell kit. And that was the Protection Spell Bottle Kit. And then next we have something in a little pouch. It looks kind of like a jewellery item, possibly. So this is a protection pendant kit. It comes with 2 little stones, a cord, and this little cage that you can put the crystals in. So it says, create a pendant imbued with powerful protective energy. Choose either a smoky quartz for general protection and grounding, or choose amethyst for energy, protection, and calm. So that is our amethyst or our smoky quartz. And basically what you do is you just push them inside this little cage. Hopefully you can see that. And then you put it onto the cord like a little necklace. So that is our pendant protection kit. Next we have our enamel pin for the month. So you always get a little pin as well. This one's actually really cute. It's just a little jar with a nail in there, a little herb in there, crystal in there. Hopefully that's showing up on camera. It seems very bright, but that is our pin. Then next we have, oh, it's our little elemental talisman that we seem to be getting every month. So this one is the water element. As always, it comes with a little hook on the top so you can attach it to like a necklace or a keyring or whatever you want. And one side is the little water element and the other side says Witch Casket Water. And this one says, this exclusive talisman is one of a series of 5 created and designed exclusively for our subscribers to represent the 5 sacred elements of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. So I think we're only 1 off now. We just need the spirit one next month. So that is that in that little pouch. Then we have quite a few things left still. So next we have a little box, and it says that this is a protection candle. It says, lightly dress your candle with the protective black tourmaline chips and dill. Light the candle and affirm, protective energy surround me. From negativity I am free. I command positivity as I will it, so mote it be. It's pure soy wax, and it says, never leave a burning candle unattended. So we do have the little things to dress it with in here. The dill has kind of gone everywhere, but that is fine, because it's in a little mesh bag, so when you move the bag it falls out. But we have a little bag of dill, and we have a little bag of the black tourmaline chips, and then this is our candle that you put them on. Oh, it's a black candle as well. Doesn't really have any scent, I don't think. So that is our little dress your own protection candle. Then we have another little box. This one is a black salt, apparently. It says use in spells and rituals for protection, banishing and hex breaking. Can be sprinkled across doorways to keep negative energies from entering. Let's have a look at what this little black salt looks like. Okay, so it is in a sealed little cork jar. Looks like this. There's black salt on the front. And it is just a full jar of that in there. Then next we have this. I think this is what was making the jingly noise. This is just a little keyring in a pouch. Looks very cute though. Definitely something I would use. It's a black pentacle, metal. I like that. It says, the pentacle has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection. The points of the pentacle representing the 5 elements, earth, air, fire, water and spirit, the 5 things essential to sustain life. The circle around them contains and protects and also connects the 5 points, indicating that earth, air, fire and spirit are all connected. I'm assuming they missed out water there, but yeah, very cute little keyring. I really like that. That came in there. Then we have this little box as well, and this says that it's a cast iron altar cauldron. Very cute. Use this magical cast iron altar cauldron for fire magic spells, burning rituals, or with charcoal discs to burn loose incense, herbs and resin. So I will get this out and show you what it looks like. This is adorable, very, very cute. Tiny little cauldron with a little lid on. That is so sweet. Literally could be used in like a doll's house in the middle of a room. I love that. So that is our little cast iron cauldron. Then we have some incense sticks and one item left before the scroll. So our incense sticks are protection incense. It says a powerful blend of violet and sandalwood. Actually smells quite nice. If you know me, you know I don't really love incense sticks, but these do smell quite nice. It says, light the incense and affirm, I call upon protective energy as I will it, so mote it be. That is those. And then our last item, oh, this is also jingly, is in a little black slip. This is way more jingly. This is what was making the noise. It is some little bells. These are really kind of creepy. I like them. I like that they're all black and not at the same length and everything. These are witches' bells, apparently. The ringing of bells has long been used to clear away stagnant and unwanted energy from the home. Witches' bells are designed to hang on your door and ring whenever anyone enters, ensuring whoever is paying you a visit doesn't bring negative energy with them. I love that. I think if we had neighbours it would absolutely annoy the heck out of them, but I kind of do want to put it on the front door. Also, if it rang in the night when no one should be down there, I would also probably cry and run away. But they are really cool though. So that is our little witches' bells. And then we have our little scroll. So I will open this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read. So this one is about simple protection spells. We've got a jewellery protection charm, a mirror reflection spell, and a protection charm bag. So I will, like I said, hold this here in case anyone wants to read it. So yeah, that was everything in the Witch Casket box for April, so I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little mini art print, the protection spell bottle kit, the little pentacle keyring, the protection pendant kit, the little elemental talisman for water, the enamel pin, the witch's bells that you hang on the door, the protection incense sticks, the protection candle that you can dress, the little mini cast iron altar cauldron, the black salt, and of course the little scroll. So I will try my best to hold all these. It seems to be a skill I have acquired over the years. So this is everything that was in the Witch Casket box for April. I actually quite liked this one. I feel like it had a little bit of a spookier vibe than usual with the bells and the pentacles and the cauldron and stuff. I kind of wish they would go more into that, like a bit darker, but yeah, I thought it was a really cute one. I really liked the bells. They were definitely my favourite thing. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, and I will put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.